Hi, my name's Darren Massey. I'm the Standex Food Service Equipment Development Chef, and today I'm going to introduce you to our range of BKI Pressure Fryers. Our range includes gas and electric models. Also, our controllers are either manual thermostatic controllers, computerized digital controllers, and all models come as standard with an automatic filtration system. Fried food, especially chicken, provide a great opportunity for profit for fast food operators. You can buy your chickens already pre-portioned from reputable suppliers, but to increase your profit margin you may want to cut your chickens in portions yourself. First of all, I'm going to cut this first chicken into 8 pieces. This chicken is about 1.3 to 1.4 kilos. I'm starting with the chicken on its backbone with the breast uppermost. Okay, so first of all I'm going to remove the wingtips. Some people choose to leave them on. It's up to you. Next I'm going to remove the first leg. We're moving the thigh away from the breast, cut between the connecting skin, turn on its breast and just pop the ball and socket joint and remove the leg to include the oyster. Turn the bird over and repeat on the other side with the other leg. I'm now going to separate the thigh from the drumstick and find the joint where the knee bone is and cut cleanly straight through. That gives me my thigh portion. I'm now going to remove the spur from the drumstick. That gives me my drumstick portion. Repeat this with the other leg. Next I'm going to remove the wing from the breast. Take the knife at a 45-degree angle and cut straight through to the base of the board. This will give you your wing portion. Turn the bird round and repeat the other side. Next, going to separate the breast from the carcass. Taking the knife, cut straight through to the base of the board, leaving the carcass to one side. Now split the breast into 2. Cut through the flesh, chop the bone. This will now give you your 8 portions. For increased profit, you can cut your chicken into 9 separate pieces. So if you want to find out how to do that, come along to one of my demonstrations and I'll show you how. I'm going to start to coat the chicken in a light lemon pepper breading. Other breadings and dressings are available from other suppliers. I'm going to start by doing the drumsticks first, by placing them in the water. I remove the wet drumstick, roll it in the flour, making sure it's completely coated and gently patted to make sure the crumb evenly coats the drumstick. Place in my tray. I'm going to repeat this with all the rest of the drumsticks and then the thighs, moving on to the breast. Just coating the last remaining breast portions. Important to remember, once your chicken is coated, to cook them as soon as possible. All BKI pressure fryers come fully programmed for bone-in chicken, full and half loads, wings, breasts and potatoes. By simply selecting the appropriate program number, the BKI pressure fryer preheats and lets you know when it's ready to load your product. Pressure fryer is now preheated and it's telling me it's ready. So all I need to do now is load the portions into the basket. I'm going to start by putting the leg portions in the multi-tiered basket first. I'm now placing the last of the breast portions into the basket. This multi-tiered basket is very efficient at keeping the chicken separate and not sticking together during the cook. I now carefully and gently lower the basket into the hot oil, remove the handle, and turn the locking handle so the red buttons are in line. I then press the button, I'll select it first of all to select the cook, and this will now count down automatically to 0 when the cook is done. Okay, the alarm sounded down, the countdown's gone to 0. It's safe for me to remove the product from the fryer. Undo the lid, push down on the handle, lift the lid up, making sure, being careful all the time. Place the handle into the basket, retrieve it from the oil, and leave it on the side of the pot for up to 5 minutes just to crisp the product. Just while the chicken's draining, I just want to run through some of the features of the BKI Pressure Fryer. It has a cool zone which will let the breading fall off from the cooked product. This will extend the life of the cooking. It also has a very simple oil changing feature and an interlocking safety lid. Using tongs, remove the chicken, serve immediately or hold until ready for service. BKI Pressure Fryers deliver crispy, succulent chicken every time. Thank you for watching my film. If you'd like to find out a bit more information, please give us a call or contact us via the website.